Today we're bashing on a budget. This is the all-new FMS 10th scale F100 monster truck. At just $170, there's a whole lot of value in this thing. This is going to be perfect for beginners, or if you've got kids like my little guy here, this is going to be a great way to learn, or just an inexpensive way to get into some fun bashing. So let's take a look at the key features on this thing. I'll show you what comes in the box, then we're going to go run it and have some fun. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
Something on your nose. There we go. Go show him. Axel lost a tooth this morning. We got to show him that, right? That big hole right there. All right, let's start with the exterior on this thing. So this is the fully licensed Ford F100 square body pickup truck body. It's made of polycarbonate. Very simple body here. We've got stickered over windows. You do get a roll bar, and it does come with these additional lights that attach to it. Got stickers that go on the lights. We've got a plastic chrome grille up front. Heavy-duty composite bumpers front and rear to protect that body underneath. There is a wheelie bar that comes with this too. This is adjustable. It has a couple different holes so you can adjust the positioning on it. It comes in 3 different colors. There's the black version, there's the high roller version, and there's a first blood version. To take the body off, we've got these 4 pins. It comes off very easy, just like that. Underneath here you can see we've got this nylon chassis here. It is 2-wheel drive, so you've got nothing driving the front wheels. It's all open up there. We do have a mid-mounted rear-wheel drive system here. Open diff in the back for good handling. We've got independent suspension front and back. Nice oil-filled shocks. Those shocks are a little squishy though. I wish they were a little stiffer. Maybe putting some heavier oil in this might be better. Just find that when you jump it, it tends to bottom out pretty easily. We've got the battery charging now. It comes with a 2S LiPo battery that fits right in this tray nicely. I want to show them how you get to it. They pick up that arm right there, holds the battery nice and secure, super low down in the chassis.
They look Ford and Ford.
Is that a Ford?
Yeah.
It is a Ford, yep, you're right. The shocks on this also come with dust covers to protect the shock shaft in there. For electronics, we've got a 40 amp brushed ESC and receiver combo right here in the back. Kind of tucked down low here is a 550 brushed motor. It's got pretty good speed, plenty enough to rip around and have a lot of fun with, so it works good, right?
Yep.
You think it's got enough power?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm surprised to hear that from you. I didn't think it's ever enough power.
For jumps, I should say.
Okay, got enough power for jumps.
Yep.
All right.
Because I jump it on the little like grass hills.
Yep.
That go to the walkway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's how I know it's good at jumping.
Oh, good. Truck sits on these plastic chrome wheels, nice deep dish monster truck wheels. They look good. We got these big squishy monster truck tires. These are going to aid in damping when you're hitting things hard and fast. One of the things that I really like about this truck, it comes fully ready to run. So you get everything you need to go out and rip it. You get the truck itself, obviously. You get the 2S LiPo battery, which we're charging right now, but I will show you in this video. You get a 10-watt compact charger for your battery.
And you get the license plates.
Some license plates for customization.
Yep.
We get some shock spacers. We get a T-wrench, and you get your detailed owner's manual. Truck also comes with this FlySky radio here. Looks a lot like some of the other FlySky radios we've seen in the RTRs. There are some different features on this. So it does have some additional switches here on the right-hand side. They're going to give you some additional functionality with this thing. You're able to change your running mode, your battery type, also adjust your drag brake on the fly. This also has a beginner mode where you can limit the throttle. So if you did have someone who was brand new or a young kid using it, you're able to limit that using the radio, which is nice. It comes on full power from the factory, but you are able to tune that.
Wait, you can make it even faster?
No, you can make it slower.
Oh, I thought you meant faster.
No, it comes fast. You can make it slow. All right, you ready to run this thing?
Yep.
Okay, our battery should be just about done, so let's go out and have some fun. All right, we're out here with the F100 monster truck out at the sand track. This is where we usually take the bashers. Axel's driving this thing. He's ripping around here. Look at him go. This thing's a lot of fun out here on 2S. I don't know if I think it's only 2S capable. Super fun. Nice job, buddy. Look at him rip. This is doing really good in 2-wheel drive. It's tough. It's taken some tumbles. It's good out here in the sand. It'll keep it kind of protected, but it has taken some bashing. It's doing good. Nice, that was good. It's a fun truck, I gotta say. It looks great out here too. This would be really good, you know, give it as a present to somebody. Oh yeah. That was your first crash. You've done like just a little one. Yeah, it kicked you. Yeah, it's pretty planted. That was your first wreck the whole time we've been here. See if we can get some good shots of the jump here without getting landed on. Can hear that thing bottoming out. It's also getting some rubbing on the body. You can see there's marks on the fenders there where the tires are rubbing against the body. I think I will try to put some heavier oil in it. I think that'll help a lot. Look at that corner. Good job, my man. Man, you're driving that thing like a pro. You got the corners down and everything. It's fun out here because you can hold it like wide open and just steer with the rear end where it's two-wheel drive. You get enough slip out of the back, you can just steer it with this, just like that. Axle's drifting around that corner. Super fun. Yeah, that was it, my man. He's getting the rhythm down now. I found some tools in the woods the guys left here. We built up the jump. Axel's getting it. Whoa! That was it, my man. Alright guys, we're gonna keep ripping this thing, having a ton of fun out here. I will make the whole jump higher, yes. The rest of it?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, sounds like I have some work to do. Okay. Alright, I will work on the track. We're going to work on the track and keep having some fun. We'll catch you guys back at the bench to wrap this up. Alright guys, we've had a lot of fun with the F100. FMS has done a really good job with this truck. I feel like the power to durability ratio is just perfect. Can run this thing pretty much wide open, hit things as hard as you can, and I feel like the chassis is strong enough to accommodate everything that this thing can throw at it. Axel ran it hard. I think he was full throttle the whole way around that sand track, and the thing just kept going and going and going. No breakage whatsoever. So durability wise, it's held up really well. This is going to be excellent for a brand new driver, a young driver, someone who's just getting into bashers and things. It's a really great low cost of entry, a good gateway drug, if you will, to get into the bashers. Lots of fun and inexpensive price tag here. For someone more experienced, looking for more higher performance, might let you down a little bit. The squishy suspension and the brush motor, although it's adequate for those speed demons out there, you're probably going to be looking for some extra speed. But again, I go back to the durability factor here. This thing seems to be built just right for what it puts out. We'll see how it holds up during the long term. Axel loves this thing. He's going to be running it outside with the neighbors. We're going to be taking it out to tracks. So we'll see how it holds up over this spring and summer. But first impressions, I feel like for $170, this is a great entry-level basher. But guys, let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think of the F100 here? I'll put a link in the description where you can order this for yourself. And as always, I appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in the next video.